tayo mga idol. Ito, salad. And ito, chicken. Kasya po lahat ng pagkain dito mga idol. Ito yung pan nila. Ito siya. Ito siya kan. Ito.
Bueno, carne para el tisio.
Ayan. Paano na po. Sarap lang. Uwi na po kami ng Pilipinas. Ito no?
Hey, in China. Oh, you speak English? I don't get a picture.
Rida. Hi.
Oh, how about me, my idol? Yes, good morning, idol.
Tali pala sa... No, yun o. Loko.
No Tarzan here? Tarzan.
Yan, mga idol. Yan o.
Nhà mấy thằng bông phương à?
I want you to meet our friend. He's very popular in the Philippines. He's a content creator.
Oh.
His name is Idol. That's his code name, Idol.
Okay, hello Idol. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet all of you. I hope you have fun in Thailand. I hope you go in Thailand and have fun in Thailand. Enjoy Thai food, okay? And I hope one day I can travel in Philippines. One day. I never been to Philippines before. My name is Nia. Nua Nia. Yeah. Nua Nia.
What's your name?
Nua Nia.
Nua Nia.
And you, what's your name?
What's your name? No more.
Mamar.
Idol.
Bye now, China.
Pang Pilipinas daw yan, mga idol. Pang Pilipinas daw, nakaganito kami mga idol. Ayan. Wow. Lapit na. Yan na. Uyan na. Uyan na. Uyan na. Malapit na. Ayan. Uyan na. Ayan. Jug-jug. Salamat po. Yun o. Lagi lang ng talapia doon ito. Oh. Yung inihaw, talapia ang walang kamatayan. Mga idol, paksiw. Fresh na fresh yun, prosen yun. Iba rin yung talapia akong mga idol. Good morning, good morning.